I recently discovered a brand new website that would pay real money for performing easy activities, but I also discovered this free software that will handle all the work for you, allowing you to make money without having to spend hours completing those chores. It can be done without any prior experience or financial investment. If you want to make this work, make sure you follow all of the steps and don't skip anything. This will be free software that will perform all of the work for you, and as I previously stated, you will be able to make money without having to do anything. Before I explain how it works, you'll need to visit cjinc.info, which is a brand new website. You can use this website to make money for free regardless of where you are in the world. They will pay you for your time, as you can see. There is no cost to join and no investment required. There are a variety of methods to profit from this website, but there will be one thing that we will be doing right here. This will earn you the maximum money without requiring you to do any hard effort. You can also undertake market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching if you want to maximize your results while the software does the work for you. Finally, you have testimonies from people all over the world who have made a lot of money utilizing this service. This website has been around since 2014, so it's a good one that people have been using for a long time. They would have vanished by now if it didn't work, but they've been online for nearly 6 years. For the purposes of this video, we'll only look at online proofreading jobs that pay well per word count. And all you're doing right now is correcting grammatical errors, spelling errors, and factual inaccuracies. You don't need to be an expert in English, fluent in it, or anything else because I'm going to show you a free program that will perform all the hard work for you. So all you have to do is copy and paste the articles, and the software will do the rest. Simply click on this button and then proceed to click on the online proofreading jobs to learn more. Here you will learn how it works, the nature of the job, the pay rates, and the specific amount they will pay you. We'll have to copy articles and paste them into software that will proofread them for us. But before we get into that program, I'd like to show you how to apply for jobs and where to get these articles so that you can get paid for each work you complete. Go to cjinc.info immediately. Scroll down to this button, then click it to get the application form. You'll discover a registration form to fill out, as well as a task to choose from, which will be proofreading. And then fill in your first and last name, as well as your email address, in this box. In order for them to send you future job offers, you must first enter your email address, then your birth date, gender, and marital status. After that, you'll need to enter your phone number so that they may contact you if any new positions become available. Now enter your country, and no matter where you come from, you'll always be able to find work here. If you want to get the most out of your results and receive more opportunities, click Employed and Freelancer in the current professional status box. Because they'll be able to present you with more jobs that way. I strongly advise you to pick these alternatives in the What hours are you available to the work box to show the client that you are available all day. As previously indicated, you can complete a task in less than a minute and do it at any time and from any location. You don't have to sit in front of your computer for the entire day. You are free to work whenever and wherever you want. Then, for this section, I recommend that you select many firms because you want to work for as many as possible in order to make more money, and then simply choose your payment option as you want to get paid. I prefer PayPal, so I'll choose that and then provide my PayPal address so they can pay me straight on my own account. After that, I simply push submit, and we're done. The form has been completed. Now you will start receiving those jobs, so after making your personal account and successfully applying for a job in proofreading, they will send you an article to work on, and you will have to figure out how to eliminate or correct the grammatical faults. Simply go to app.grammarly.com and use Grammarly for proofreading. This will bring you to this page, where you may paste your text into this box. That will also highlight all of the errors for you. As you can see, the entire procedure will take less than a minute. You may download this program as an extension for your Google Chrome browser, and it will notify you whenever it detects grammatical faults and offer suggestions on how to correct them right away. Similar to the one on our Google Docs, they will immediately propose the correct term to improve your article and proofread it once they have found the faults. After you've finished, you can simply copy the entire article and return to your creative work. Submit your project and you will get paid handsomely for each work completed. It's so basic and straightforward that I believe anyone can do it because no prior experience is required. You don't have to sell anything or wait for sales. It's not even affiliate marketing, it's simply one of the simplest ways to make money online that I recently discovered. So register now and start making tons of cash. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.